Hi, I am Gayatri C. Gopinathan, and today I am going to present my mini project on the topic Fund Flow and Cash Flow Analysis of ITC Limited for the financial years 2022-23 and 2023-24. This study focuses on how ITC manages its financial resources, how funds are generated and utilized, and how effectively the company maintains its liquidity and profitability through cash flow management. The aim is to understand ITC's financial performance, stability, and efficiency across these 2 years. Let's begin with a brief introduction about the company. ITC Limited was founded in 1910 and is headquartered in Kolkata. It is one of India's major conglomerates operating in FMCG, hotels, packaging, agribusiness, and IT. For financial year 2024-25, ITC recorded revenue of about rupees 73,465 crore and an EBITDA of rupees 24,025 crore, showing strong performance across its businesses. The company is also known for its sustainability initiatives, being both carbon positive and water positive for several years in a row. Now, moving on to the objectives of the study. The main objective was to prepare and interpret the fund flow and cash flow statements of ITC Limited for 2022-23 and 2023-24 in accordance with Accounting Standard 3. It aims to understand how effectively the company manages its funds, liquidity, and operational efficiency. Now, let me explain the methodology used in this project. The study is based entirely on secondary data collected from ITC's official annual reports for 2022-23 and 2023-24. The analysis used the balance sheet and profit and loss account to prepare the working capital, fund flow, and cash flow statements. All calculations were done following standard accounting principles and IS3, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Now let's look at the key financial highlights of ITC Limited for the financial year 2022-23 and 2023-24. In financial year 2022-23, ITC recorded revenue of rupees 69,481 crore with net profit of 19,477 crore, a 25% increase from the previous year. The company maintained a debt-free position and declared a rupees 15.50 per share dividend. In financial year 2023-24, revenue remained stable at around rupees 69,446 crore, while net profit rose to rupees 20,422 crore, an 8.9% increase. ITC once again remained debt-free and declared a rupees 13.50 dividend per share. Overall, ITC displayed strong profitability, efficient cost control, and steady growth during both years. Now, I would like to present the findings from the cash flow and fund flow analysis of ITC Limited for the financial years 2022-23 and 2023-24. In the year 2022-23, ITC recorded a strong rise in operating cash flow, showing excellent operational performance and profitability. However, a large part of the funds were used for investments and dividend payouts, resulting in negative investing and financing cash flows. Still, the company maintained a positive net cash flow, which highlights its strong liquidity position. In the next year, 2023-24, the operating cash flow slightly decreased, but the company managed to keep its net cash flow positive by reducing capital expenditure and improving its investing activities. From the fund flow perspective, ITC mainly generated funds from its own operations rather than external borrowings. The reduction in long-term debt and the increase in shareholders' funds clearly indicate financial stability and efficient fund utilization. Overall, we can conclude that ITC maintains a very healthy cash position, low financial risk, and strong internal fund generation, ensuring long-term growth and sustainability. To conclude, ITC Limited demonstrated excellent financial management and strong liquidity across both financial years. Its debt-free structure and positive fund and cash flows highlight a self-sufficient, well-managed business model. The company effectively managed expansion, dividend distribution, and asset development, ensuring sustainable growth. Hence, the fund flow and cash flow analysis confirm that ITC Limited is financially sound, operationally efficient, and continues to sustain long-term profitability with strong financial discipline. Before I conclude my presentation, I would like to mention the sources that I used for collecting and verifying financial information. The main sources were ITC Limited's official annual reports for the financial years 2022-23 and 2023-24, which provided authentic financial data. Thank you.